The German non-profit Schule im Aufbruch promotes education in line with UNESCO's World Action Plan on Education for Sustainable Development. Schule im Aufbruch supports schools in Germany in creating a culture that focuses on unfolding young people's inner potential and building personal networks. BearingPoint worked with Schule im Aufbruch on 2 projects on a pro bono basis. The client team was very motivated, hardworking and focused. The relationship was based on trust, respect and a common goal. The projects focused on business analysis and the definition of internal processes, as well as on setting up a scalable Salesforce architecture. We supported the implementation and enhancement of their key processes, such as school acquisition, membership management or workshop management, and enabled the analysis of their KPIs in Salesforce.